Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are discussing about the TypeScript variables. So variables in the TypeScript. I'm sharing my screen. Guys, you can see my screen, right? Guys, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you find my sessions or uh, tutorials are interesting. Please subscribe my channel. And we will jump into our topic. So I'll create. Okay, I'll create one more folder. Here I'll create TypeScript tutorial. TypeScript tutorial. So under this, so the first one is we will learn about variables. TypeScript variables TS. Okay. Here, so you know, right? Variables. See, variables are nothing but which are used. Variables are used to store the values or data values in a program. Yeah, program. Okay. How variables are declared means, so in TypeScript, no, we can declare the variables by using var let and var let are constant keywords. So these are nothing but we call them as keywords, right? So variables are nothing but which are used to store the values in a program. So here in TypeScript now we will declare the variables using var let and constant, right? So normally when we define a variable, right? Suppose I am defining one variable, let my name. So here one thing, right? So we will define the variable plus so before that I will write the syntax here. Syntax, no? What is the syntax here? Syntax is let. So I am using one keyword. Can you see here? It is giving automatically variable name. See, like this. Okay. Just I will do comment. See, syntax, how it is defined, right? What is so TypeScript we are telling, right? We can declare the variables using var let or constant keywords, right? So let is a keyword. This is a variable, nothing but a variable name we are giving. And data type. What type of data type? So type. So why TypeScript is more advanced, right? Because we are mentioning the typing. So that we can find the early defects. So for each and every variable, we'll mention the type. What is the type of the data? So the value, you know, right? Normally we'll declare like this, right? Let variable name equal to value. So this is nothing but, so TypeScript, this is nothing but normally we declare in the JavaScript. But when it comes to TypeScript, it is mandatory. So it is good to define the data type. So that is the advantage. That is the most advanced version. So you are where you're going to find the defects, early defects, right? Let my name. So my name will be in string, right? Right? String. This is the data type string. equal to, okay, Kohli. Okay, can you see? So whenever you are declaring the variable, right? So this is the my variable. I declared a value to that variable, Kohli. So but data type we are declaring, right? String. So we declare this data type as string. So let is the keyword we use. So let my age. Okay, age. So age is a, it will be number, right? Just give the number data type. So yeah, 35. Let is cricketer, right? It's a boolean, right? It's a boolean. So automatically, so is cricketer, it is asking it as a boolean. So whether if the value contains true or false, right? So then we can give the data type as boolean, right? So this is how you will declare the variables in the TypeScript. Suppose if you don't want to change any, so in future also this will change. So I'll explain that also. Suppose if you don't want to change anything, hmm, okay, we will print this one. Then later, so if you don't want to change, so later we can update these variable values. But if you define with const, so whenever you use const, right? So see, it is giving by default pi. Pi, you know, right? 3.4. Or I will say const country. I am giving country. Country, it can be written in the string, right? String equal to. So I can say India. Okay, we will print this one. Now, what it will returns, we will see. Copy the path, relative path. So TSC we are giving compiler, we are executing compiler. It converts into a JS file. So it created the JS file, right? Now try to get the path of the JS file and just use the node to execute it. JS file. Can you see? Name, whatever they declare the name is Kohli. Age 35 is cricketer true. Value of pi, country got printed. So till here, this is the we understand the basics of variables. Variables are used to store the variables in a program, to store the values in a program. In TypeScript, right, we can declare the variables based upon the keywords. What are the keywords? Let, where, let, and constant keywords. And this is the syntax. So first we will use keyword, variable, what is the data type, and value. So this is one example. Now here one important thing. Suppose now I will show you. Let, okay, already we declared my name, right? Already we declared my name. Here, one thing you need to understand is here we can redeclare the values. So first we will go with the where. So we will see where, where keyword. Okay, where keyword. In this where keyword, okay, first what I am doing, okay, see where city it is giving Mumbai, right? So we are printing Mumbai. Then once Mumbai is printed, so later I will show you, see again where city string equal to, I'm redeclaring the value. So Delhi. Can you see here? I'm redeclaring the value. So redeclaration is allowed with a var. Okay. And one more thing, what I can do here, again city equal to, I'm giving Bangalore. Can you see? Just execute it. Can you see? First value is Mumbai city, updated city to Delhi. So then it is reassigned value to Bangalore. Here the advantage is, so redeclaration will allow here. Reassignment is also allowed in the var. Okay, sometimes no. So, but in let to know, redeclaration is not allowed. Okay. So var allows redeclaration as well as the reassignment. So it nowhere say whenever you are assigning for the same variable, you are again redeclaring the same variable. It is not giving any error, right? So this is the var. But it's a bad practice, right? Bad practice, right? Here, one more thing I can show you. Var count equal to 10. Okay. Now, var count equal to 20. See, now when I try to print this value, now which one it is going to take? So here there is no control for var. See, first we declared variable value 10 by using var keyword and a var count equal to 20. Can you see here which one it will pick? It will pick the latest one, but it will not throw an error. This kind of issues we will face when you use var, because a redeclaration is allowed after declaring the variable. It will allow us redeclaring the variable with same value, different value also. Can you see here? Count after redeclaration 20 it is giving, but it is not giving an error, right? So if you are keep on adding count, no, but how can you access the previous value? So there is some error, right? So this is one challenge. So instead of going going with where, so many challenges, so many issues will get it. So I will show you one more example. Suppose where, now here it is there, where count equal 20, it is printing 20, right? Right. Now I'm just doing console.log